Everyone, we're here to present a demonstration about the proper garbage disposal, which is the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Let's hear what is the meaning of biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
Go.
So, biodegradable are capable of being slowly destroyed and broken down into very small parts by natural process.
While non-biodegradable is opposite to biodegradable, it cannot be um, broken into smaller pieces by natural means. So it means it can't be capable of slowly destroyed.
Post na.
So here are the examples of biodegradable. So we have leaves, the different leaves, and also the papers and others.
And also, if here are some examples of non-biodegradable. We have here empty can, empty bottles, empty bottles, and metals. Those are the examples of non-biodegradable.
So those are the proper garbage disposal, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So that's all. Thank you.